Unboxing a Gates water pump for the VZ, VE, VF Holden Commodore 3.6 litre and 3 litre. Also suits the Holden Captiva 3 litre and 3.2 litre, as well as some other variants like the 1 tonner in the VZ, as well as the Revhigh and the Colorados. So it comes in a pretty cool box. Nothing really to say except it's packaged pretty well. It's a smaller box compared to the genuine boxes. So we open it up. Looks pretty nice inside. So it comes with a metal gasket, which is better than the one that comes in the genuine kit. It comes with new bolts. It does say made in China there. But the fact it comes with bolts is pretty cool. So opening it up here, we have a look at the water pump itself. It's pretty standard. It comes in clear packaging instead of the blue packaging. Look at it. The quality on these pumps is pretty good. Casting marks. The actual surface of the pump looks great. I wouldn't hesitate to use this pump. There you go.